Instagram and finish my videos. Come on, let's have a seat. And this is my most favorite airplane when I was the youngest. My baby plane. This can, it's like a rolling plane, and it's orange with black color things. It's from McDonald's. This is my second plane. My father bought for me when I was 3. And let's have a look. Guns, fighter jet, and 2. Okay, moving to the next plane. This one is my fourth plane. This is my fourth plane, a cargo plane, and this is a bit big, and this is one of the widest plane, and this my mother bought for me. This one is another cargo plane my father bought for me, and this one can go on the ground. When the tires move, the wing, this thing also can move. And this is my fifth plane, passenger airplane. Nice plane, big, long. Sixth plane. It's a proper plane. It's an old type of plane, and I like this plane. My grandma bought for me. Nice. And the most best plane is like a fast plane, also like a jet. Nice. This one is like a snake type of skin, and got a lot of windows. Nice plane. Wait, I think I got a very big aeroplane still. Oh, it's over there. Oh, whoa! This is the most best thing my father bought for me. And this is 400 ringgit, my most favorite aeroplane in the world. And this is my most favorite toy in my room. And I also like it, there's guns inside. There's 2 buttons. One of it makes this sound. And the second button is this sound. And if I press one of this button, this gun and this gun light up. The dark is very nice. And also this is a cargo plane. It's a nice big plane. This is the underneath. Nice, very nice. At least this is a nice plane. This is the door. This is my all-time dream, and last year's Christmas my father bought for me. I thank him so much. And I also love him so much. And this thing can open also. I'm gonna treasure this for my whole life. And thank you for seeing my videos. Thank you, bye. But if you want to see more Godzilla videos, maybe you can comment down below if you want to see a Godzilla video tomorrow. Bye.